Morning students. We already discussed about the chapter electricity. Now we do the revision of the chapter, that is nutrition, respiration and excretion. Yes. So our first topic is the nutrition. You already know nutrition in the plant, student. What is the definition of nutrition? Nutrition is defined as the process by which animal or plant take in and utilize the food substances. Yes, you take, for example, plants take the food and utilize the food for their work, for extra activities. For example, we take the food and we use the food to get the nutrient, that is the fat, carbohydrate, vitamins, minerals, etc. And these fat, carbohydrate give us energy, protein helps to repair the wear and tear tissues, and vitamin helps to protect us from the diseases. Same the function for the plant also. Plant also utilize these, get the nutrient, utilize this for their activities. Yes, student. So nutrition is defined as the process by which animal or the plant take in and utilize the food substances. Actually, plants are the autotrophs, producer, which produce their food on. But human beings are the heterotrophs, depend upon the other. Autotroph, heterotroph. Auto means self formation. Self, auto means self. Make their food on. Plant make their food on. By the which process? Yes, student. Photosynthesis. Which process is there? Photosynthesis. The nutrition is the process by which plant get the food and utilized for their daily life activities. Yes. They convert the inorganic molecule to organic molecules. What is the, first of all, you should know about the, what is the organic molecule? Organic are with the compound which made from carbon also, hydrogen also. For example, methane, CH4. Organic or inorganic element, compound. That is a CH4. Hydrogen also, carbon also, it means that is a organic. CO2. Organic or inorganic? Inorganic, because it contains the carbon but not contain the hydrogen. So both things should be must. Element, carbon also and hydrogen also. Same, see there, CO2 plus H2O. Here the hydrogen is not there in this compound. Here carbon also not there. So both are organic. In photosynthesis reaction, inorganic substance converted into organic. Glucose is organic because it contains hydrogen also and carbon also. If other oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur other present, it's okay. Yes, that is also organic. But carbon and hydrogen is must is there. Keep in mind. Yes, they convert the inorganic molecule into organic molecule, student. Inorganic molecule into organic molecules. Yes, student. The raw material is inorganic. Keep in mind. Carbon dioxide plants take from outside. And water takes from the roots. So during nutrition, when the plants take the food from the carbohydrate, fat, protein, vitamins are the organic molecules. Organic molecules. The process by which, actually first of all you should know about the what is the photosynthesis. Photo mean light. By using light, you have to plants make their food. Synthesis by using light. That is called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. Yes. CO2, carbon dioxide plus water give us glucose plus oxygen in the presence of chlorophyll, a green pigment. Sunlight. In the presence of sunlight only. Photochemical reaction is there. Actually, this reaction is an exothermic reaction or endothermic. Yes. Endothermic reaction because it absorbs the energy. But respiration is the reversible reaction. That is the exothermic reaction, student. We get the energy with the help of respiration, student. So carbon dioxide plus water give us glucose. Glucose means carbohydrate. Glucose, maltose, fructose, lactose. These all are the types of the carbohydrate. Some of the simple sugars are there, some complex. Glucose is a simple sugar. You are able to digest very easily. But sucrose is the complex sugar. You are unable to digest. This is the complex sugar. Our body convert the complex sugar firstly into simple sugar. Then you are able to digest. Same like the plant also. Plant form of the glucose is there. And the plant store the food, store the glucose in the form of starch. In the form of starch. Very easy, student. how the reason made how the carbon dioxide plants take from outside. Yes, by using stomata. Small pores are there. Stomata. That is see there, stomata are the tiny pore present in predominantly on the lower surface of the leaf. Lower surface of the leaf. Every leaf, actually every leaf have the small little pores are there. Stomata. That is called stomata. When stomata open, it take the carbon dioxide easily, and water we take from the roots. The root here absorbs the extra water from the soil. Minerals also with the help of soil. By using which process? Osmosis. The process in which movement of a solvent from a higher concentration to low concentration. In the soil, the water is more, but in the plant, water is less. It means the water go from higher concentration to low concentration. Keep in mind. And plants take the carbon dioxide by which process? That is a diffusion. Diffusion. What is the word diffusion? Yes. Define diffusion. The process in which solute move from high concentration to low concentration. Like agarbatti is there. Their fragrance move from firstly near the fragrance more, but outside is away is less. But they try to move from high concentration to low concentration. For example, your mother make the halwa for you, but when their mother made halwa for you, then their fragrance go everywhere, from your home to everywhere. It means high concentration to low concentration, student. Yes. Then carbon dioxide, when they take with the help of diffusion and releases oxygen, that is also with the help of diffusion. How stomata open? What is the reason behind this? Due to water. It absorbs more water. When plant is full of water, it become taut. Yes, taut, turgid. And it will taut, tight is there, then open, they releases the extra water. The extra water released by the plant, that is called transpiration. Transpiration, student. Transpiration. Yes. If they lose the extra water, so little bit water is left, then stomata try to close. That is become loose. After losing water, that is the flaccid is there. Flaccid. Yes, the word used flaccid, lose water. What is the structure actually? What is the structure is there? See there. Structure of the stomata. See. Like this only. Beans. Two bean shapes are there like this. These are the guard cell. Inside these small holes are there in which chlorophyll is present. That is the chloroplast. The word used specially is a chloroplast. These are guard cell is there. When they are very near, then it means it's closed stomata. When move away because of the high water, that is a stomata, open stomata. Keep in mind, open stomata is there. In this guard cell, the mesophiles in this, actually which cells are used? The mesophile cells are used there. Keep in mind. Mesophile cells are there. Actually, plants get the nutrition from the soil. They majorly want NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. One more is of magnesium. These are the macronutrients which require in more quantity. Plant require in more quantity. And which thing is required in less quantity? There is iron and other things are zinc like this. Zinc. So these are the micronutrients, student, which require in less quantity. So these are the revision part of your chapter. Nutrition, when I explain photosynthesis plants, how make their food. So next topic we do in the next chapter, student. Thank you.